that individual?
I got two. Maria Teresa Martinez Lopez. I got the case numbers in case you need them.
Necessarily need them. Just haven't, I don't think I've seen either of those individuals,
Okay.
but we'll see. We will see. Is that Binkowski, Daniel Binkowski?
Yes, sir. Officer Daniel Binkowski. Yes, Your Honor.
Officer, good morning to you. All right.
Good morning.
I'm gonna assign breakout room 1. You can choose to join it if you want or not.
I will join. Thank you, sir.
All right, very well. All right, let's start letting them in.
Yes, sir.
That video. I'm ready. Hello.
Hey, I'm ready.
Me too. Hello.
Hey.
Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hello.
Hello. Oh. Hello.
Hello, hi.
Hi. Can you hear me?
Please place your phones on mute.
Hello.
Please place your devices on mute.
Por favor, estén seguros que los dispositivos están silenciados.
Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts, or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Good morning, Judge.
Buenos días a todos y bienvenidos a la sala del honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. Mientras estemos en sesión, le pedimos a todos, por favor, que no estén ni manejando, que estén vestidos adecuadamente, que no tengan la cabeza tapada a menos que sea algo que tiene que ver con razones religiosas. No se permite que estén comiendo, ni durmiendo, ni tomando. Pedimos que tengan sus dispositivos silenciados. Gracias. Your Honor.
Yeah, I don't think I've seen Jonathan. I just saw him. I recognized his name from the top of the list.
Right.
So
I've been instructed to tell Mr. Interpreter Diaz that he is to call Miss Elvia. He's supposed to be in probation.
Yeah, there is.
Okay. She's supposed to be in probation?
Yes, that's what I was told, that he was assigned to a case in probation.
okay.
If he would please call Miss Elvia Mayberry.
I can do that.
Okay, thank you.
What about the other one, Ms. Villarreal? I have two cases.
Yes, for both those were not supposed to be assigned to you.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you very much. I will
You're welcome.
I will talk to Elvia.
Yes.
Your Honor, is that okay if I leave then?
Absolutely. See you soon. Good to see you.
Thank you, Your Honor. It was always a pleasure to see you.
His license, Demario Gray, please. Okay. What I'm going to try to do, everyone, is I'm trying to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible, and I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in.
Mr. Reginald Lewis, he does not have a cell phone.
All right. So
Buenos días a todos. Lo que yo quiero hacer es llamar los casos a la manera más rápida y eficiente posible y en el orden que han llegado.
Ms. Villarreal, I do not know whether Mr. Garcia is going to even show today, but
Yeah, Your Honor.
Is he here?
Yes, sir.
No, not. I'm looking for Jonathan Garcia.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Sorry, I'm sorry, Mr. Joseph Garcia. I do not know if Mr. Jonathan Garcia is going to show today. So you can then welcome to, if you have somewhere else to go, you're more than welcome to come on back and check on us, and we'll send you a message if we need you, but you're also more than welcome to stay.
Thank you, Your Honor. It appears there was a scheduling error. I was assigned to this courtroom for this morning. So Mr. Diaz's cases are actually my cases.
Okay, and has any of those
I don't think, I have not seen them.
yeah, I don't think so. But again, you're more than welcome to stay. Reginald, Lamar,
Thank you, Your Honor.
Lewis. Yes. All right, he's gonna need to get online. Okay, let's do this. Let's call it the we need to turn the system. Oh, Miss Burrell is here. I'm sorry. You ready, Miss Burrell?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you run Miss Gibson's license, please? This is the city of Detroit versus Kiana Gibson, case number SP 1855818, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gibson.
Kiana Gibson.
Thanks to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time, and it's set for a show cause. Purposes of arraignment, Mr. Berry.
Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. As you run it. All right, Ms. Gibson, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
All right. Where are you, Ms. Gibson?
At the dentist's office.
All right. No, I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it like that. I meant, are you sitting in the... All right, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. We'll pass the matter. Is Malik Greer there? Who's making all that noise?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Malik Devontae Greer. Case number SP 1528678, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1528771. Appearance for the record, please. Appearance for... Okay.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P 72832 on behalf of Mr. Greer. Please state your name for the record.
Malik Greer.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench form. For purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Greer, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Can we get him, Mr. Lewis, assigned to a phone? Here, he can use my phone. Oh, vice right. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Milo Alexander Leak. Case numbers SP 1207526, counts 1 and counts 3, SP 120753001. Mr. Leak, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. Mr. Milo Leak. All right, where is he? You have to unmute yourself, please. Can you check to see if he did community service? Please. Milo Leak, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
Morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a review. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Milo Alexander Leak.
All right. You were ordered to do 36 hours of community service. Have you completed those hours, sir?
Yes, Your Honor, I have. I did 40 hours.
Oh, very well. Now, did you forward that? We're gonna get the information from Miss. Hopefully, you got that information to Miss Shelton.
Yes, I emailed it. I emailed it to her.
Okay, let me pat. Is he good?
Have to call somebody just call him out.
All right, let me pass it momentarily. I'm gonna get the confirmation, and then I'll get you out of here. I do appreciate the fact you went over and above, and I always recognize that. And I'm sure the people that you did the community service with certainly appreciate it, sir. You do?
Yes, sir.
All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. We'll go back on the record with Mr. Leak, and we have that compliance letter. So, Mr. Leak, I'm gonna dismiss all these cases, okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you, and I wish you the best of luck, sir, and have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor. God bless.
God
Have a
bless
blessed
you.
day.
You as well.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Riona Chardette Light, case numbers SP 178-98131, SP 128-77301, SP 13401-081, and 227488071. State your name for the record. Good morning to you, Miss Light.
Good morning, Rihanna Light.
All right, Miss Light, you're light on the money.
I know.
No,
So listen, I was kind of like moving too fast last time. So that was my last month at my last house. And I was trying to see, can you give me like until Monday? I get my test is Thursday and I could just pay it because I had to move. If you could see, I just moved into my property.
I can't just see that, but I'll take your word for it.
Please just give me one more week. I was gonna pay $250 today though.
All right. Congratulations on your place, ma'am. And I'll give you until, let's say, March the 12th.
Okay, that's awesome.
March the 12th. I'll see you back on March the 12th, Miss Light. If there's nothing further, best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
Welcome. All right. Is Rodney Gibson here? Anthony Osborne. I thought I saw Anthony Osborne. Did I see Anthony Osborne? No? Okay. Let's do this. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gibson. Ms. Gibson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Gibson?
Yes, it is.
Trial will March the 19th at 9 a.m. All right.
Okay.
Nothing further. I hope everything goes well at the dentist. Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have
Thank
a very
you.
good.
You do the same.
Mr. Barry, this is the city of Detroit versus Reginald Lamar Lewis. Case numbers SP 101-31231, SP 182-8158, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lewis.
Reginald Lamar Lewis.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lewis has an old loitering case that you can add to that. Mr. Lewis, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Mr. Lewis, you have an absolute right to a trial. He'll be in the room, Mr. Barry. Pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Greer. Mr. Greer, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is requesting a trial date.
All right, is that what you want to do, Mr. Greer?
Yes, sir.
All right, trial date is going to be March the 19th at 9 a.m., Mr. Greer. If it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, so would it be on Zoom or do I come into the crowd?
It's like Burger King, sir. You have it your way. Best I can do.
All right. All right, boss man. Have a good one.
You as well. This is the city of Detroit versus Demario Eugene Gray. Case number SP 1533031. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Gray. Please state your name for the record.
Demario Gray.
Good morning to you, sir.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. I'll give him a $0 bond. He's a year late, or almost a year late, but he did in the meantime pay a related civil infraction. Mr. Gray, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Miss Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Your Honor, what was the related civil that he paid?
He paid a turn signal, failure to use turn signal, or
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Let me find out who's on this iPhone. On the iPhone, you have to unmute yourself, start your camera, state your name. Good morning to you.
Good morning, John Lott.
No, we've already talked, Mr. Lott. I don't think that's you. Go ahead on the iPhone. Is that a young lady there that just unmuted themselves and started their camera? Or you have to start your camera. What's your name, ma'am?
Nadia Love.
Nadia Love?
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Matter's not set. It's set for 9 a.m. I'm gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period. from 9 to 9:30. If the officer appears, we'll get you in a breakout room, speaking with an attorney. If the officer does not appear, we'll get you out of here, okay?
All righty. Will the case be over after this if the officer doesn't show up?
Should be. If the officer doesn't show up, it will certainly be over.
All right.
Any of the attorneys ready?
Ready as to.
I'm ready,
Mr.
Your Honor, on
Lewis.
Oliver, Your Honor.
Okay, let me
Hello?
go ahead. Let me go ahead and get Mr. Barry. Have you spoken with Mr. Lewis?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Reginald Lewis. Mr. Barry, what does your client want to do?
We seek a trial, Your Honor, and the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lewis?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set a pretrial date. That pretrial date is going to be set so that the attorney has an opportunity to contact you. If that attorney cannot get in touch with you by your next court date, which is going to be March the 20th, I'm going to get one appointed to you on the spot. You can hang up the phone and come on in back in the courtroom, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Nelson. I'm here on Glenn.
Hold on, Officer Nelson. Mr. Lewis, do you have a contact number that officer can, that's the attorney? What is your contact number?
13-559-1338.
1338. All right. Well, answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay? It's not necessary that you don't have to come back in, but if you want to, you're more than welcome to appear in person, okay? All right. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
And have a very good rest of your day. Thank you.
Everybody out, please.
Say what?
Have a good day, sir.
Everybody.
Thank you, thank you.
Ready on Oliver, Your Honor.
I heard you, Mr.
Okay, sorry.
Sorry. This is the city of Detroit versus Ashana Lovelace, case number SP 136-33611, SP 142-7545, count 1. Appearance for the record, please.
Howard S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lovelace.
Ashana Lovelace.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time. It's set for a pretrial, right, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor.
Lovelace. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Ms. Lovelace, you owe 2 civil infractions. Each one of them, Mr. Berry, are related to each of the respective cases. And that's 2 expired plates. One is at 174, the other one's at 222. All right. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Speak to him and let us know what you want to do when you come out, Ms. Lovelace.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Your Mr. Taiwan Oliver is in the breakout room.
What about Mr. Griggs?
Griggs is everybody else is waiting.
Okay.
I'm taking them in the order that you came in. That's the best way and the fairest way I know how to do it. And it's going to be a minute for the people that are at the end of the list because we have a long line, but I'm going to go as fast and efficiently as possible. Are you ready, Counselor Dabolsky?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Harminder Singh Gill, case number SP 169-61391. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. For Tim Dabalski, the defendant, Amir Gill.
All right, and good morning to you.
Your
And for
Honor,
your purpose of your client, is your client present?
no, he
Mr.
isn't, but I do have authority to enter into the.
And I will, based on that, I will waive your client's presence. Is that Officer Samuel's case here?
Yes, it is, sir.
Yes.
Good morning to you,
Good
Officer
morning.
Sam. Can you put your name, badge number, and department on the record, please?
Officer Samuels, badge number 4058.
And that's Detroit Police Department.
Yes.
All right. Have you all worked it out?
Yes,
Yeah.
we have you.
What's the resolution?
My client would be responsible to impeding traffic.
Will you stipulate to the face of the ticket on behalf of your client as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea?
I will, Your Honor.
All right, with that stipulation, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. I'll give your client until March the 17th to pay it, Counselor. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. And Officer Samuels, you be safe out there and have a very good rest of your day as well, okay?
Thank you, sir. You do the same.
Your Honor, I can get her out of the breakout room, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. I realize you're busy. This is Officer Nelson. I have to sign into room 220.
Okay.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus Taiwan Oliver. For SP, did you get that file, Taiwan Oliver, or is this it? Okay, very good. This case number SP 112-58081, 978-047, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. SP 128-84051, SP 165-15491, SP 173-09721, SP 173-09723, SP 178-0903, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 178-0933, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 180-4006, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 180-4265, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 181-5912, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 181-5916, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 181-9139, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 181-91411, SP 182-7400, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 182-74541, SP 183-1728, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 184-1247, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 184-12561, 1938-65191. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Taiwan Oliver. Mr. Oliver, would you state your name, please? Mr. Oliver? Taiwan, you need to unmute and state your name. Your Honor, I spoke with him today. Like, we'd like to set these matters for bench trial. I don't know where he is now.
Oh, you said you were ready.
But he was out, Your Honor. I went to the breakout room. I thought he came out.
You interrupted me. You said you were ready.
I don't know where my client is, Your Honor. I mean, he was out
So
early.
you're not in.
But, okay, I'll still return.
Pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gray. Miss Harris, this is a dismissal.
Yes, Your Honor, for paying the related civil.
Muslim brothers are not getting anything.
I'm going to dismiss the case, sir, for paying related civil infraction. The warrant fee. Hold on, attorney. Mr. That's on you.
Please mute your devices.
I've already done it. All right.
And then what he did,
DeMarco, what is your last name? DeMarco?
It's
Legs, good morning. Good morning to you. Mute your device, please.
good morning. It's not DeMarco, it's Shannon Gardner. My Zoom, I guess, is just up under my son's name, but my name is Shannon Gardner.
All right, good morning to you, Miss Gardner.
Good morning.
Shannon Garner, okay. All right, this is City of Detroit versus Latoya Gordon, case number SP182-41641. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Gordon, please state your name for the record.
Latoya Gordon, are you there?
Good. Yes, Latoya Gordon, I'm here, I'm sorry.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. State your name for the record, please.
Latoya Gordon.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Both Officer Turner appeared. I don't know which Officer Turner it actually is.
You don't sit in this courtroom the whole time. I'm not doing that crap. I'm about to tell him. I got other courtrooms to go to.
Corporal Bennett, please mute your device.
I apologize, Your Honor, but I have to go to different courtrooms. Can I come back?
You may.
All right, sir.
I don't know which Officer Turner it is.
Son, Judge.
It is. All right, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Miss Harris, Miss Gordon. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
My question is, are we saying that there are two Charles Turners?
Right, I'm in
Yes.
trial already.
Two Charles Turners.
So
Junior is on. Pardon me?
We junior or senior who wrote the ticket?
I don't know. Let me see if there's something on the ticket. Two. So I guess it's the junior. That's what I'm guessing. Two is. All right. She's in the breakout room. We'll pass the matter.
It says, what does it say, Your Honor?
Officer Franklin, he wants to please for Sophia Lee Gray, case number SP184 13022 for no recollection for dismissal.
Okay. I got him down. All right. There's Officer Turner is here. Officer Turner, can you put your name, badge number, department on the record, please?
Yes, sir. Officer Turner, Charles Turner II, badge number 4809 with Detroit Police Department.
All right, you have to turn your camera on.
Do we have a ticket that has a badge number on it?
I don't know. Let's see. I'm sure it does, but let's see. It's badge number 4809. Is that your badge number, Officer Turner?
Yes, sir, it is.
Okay, 4809. He's here. All right. So again, I think Miss Gordon is in the breakout room. Go speak with her, attempt to get her an updated offer. If she doesn't like the offer, today is the date and time set for the trial.
Your Honor, Mr. DeMario Gray was not able to hear you, so his question is, was the case dismissed, and did you indicate any amounts owed?
The case is dismissed, Mr. Gray, and I waive the warrant fee. You don't know in the court any more money. Best of luck to you. All right, we'll pass the matter.
We're on Amari Lane, Your Honor, no PO for trial.
Who's that?
Amari Lane.
City of Detroit versus Amari Lane, case number SP 1835610, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1835621, appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Amari Lane.
Good morning to you, sir. Day is date set for a trial date. Is there an Officer Couture, Couture? Have you checked with the city as well?
Yes, I checked with the city as of six minutes ago, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. I'm gonna you made the motion to dismiss.
Yes, Your Honor, at this time.
Grant the motion to dismiss based on no officer. If there's nothing further, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You too.
I'm also ready on Elliot Gray. He's requesting a jury trial, Your Honor.
Yeah,
and there is no offer.
We need a jury trial date, please. Yeah. City of Detroit versus Elliot Gray. Case numbers SP 183-19221, SP 183-34371, SP 183-33440, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 183-37901. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Elliot Gray.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time. It's set for a pre-trial. My understanding, you want a trial date. Is that a jury trial date? Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct, Your Honor. I guess the prosecutor wasn't prepared today with any offers.
Okay, very well. I'm gonna set a final pretrial date, and I'm gonna set a trial date. Okay. Trial date, thank you. All right, the jury trial date will be, I have March 24th, jury trial date.
Your Honor, I
Or-
can't, I'm not
or-
available on that date, Your Honor.
April the, well, Mr. Soroki, April the 7th.
Yeah, it'll have to be after April 12th.
Next date will be April the 21st.
April the 21st.
That's fine.
Calendar off, please. April the 21st at, we'll say 9 a.m. We'll set a final pretrial date on April the 20th. All parties must appear. You're gonna need to let 8:30. You need to let Ms. Horn know all parties must appear on final pretrial date. That is to make sure that everybody is ready to go. Do you anticipate any motions being filed, Mr. Soroki?
No, Your Honor. What's that final pretrial date?
It's the day before on April the 20th.
Okay, 4/20. Okay, that's fine.
All right, so Mr. Gray, let Ms. Horn know that I want the officers here on the final pretrial date. If the officers don't show up on the final pretrial date, the case is getting dismissed. All right?
You want one more, Judge, or you want to be able to see February?
I don't, I'm good. Well, February's cool. Okay, if there's nothing further, Mr. Gray, the trial date is going to be for April 21st, and the final pretrial date is going to be April 20th. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too.
Thank you, Judge. You have a good day, everyone.
All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lovelace. Ms. Lovelace, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lovelace?
Yes.
All right, trial date is going to be March the 20th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If you don't have anything further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. This is the City of Detroit versus Alana Lloyd, case number SP 177-07443. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lloyd.
Alana Lloyd, are you there? You need to unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name.
Hello, I don't know why it's not letting me start my video. Sorry about that, but hi, my name is Alana Lloyd.
It's not an option, Miss Lloyd.
I'm trying to get it to start. My apologies.
Okay. We'll pass the matter. All right. This is going to be the City of Detroit versus Brent Overstreet.
Okay.
Case number SP 157-95001, SP 165-47431, SP 166-9096, counts 1 and counts 2, U678-4, strike that, U678-04023, U7-20000325, U7-20000425. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Overstreet.
Am I talking to him? Hello? Get out of here.
Brent Overstreet. Brent Overstreet.
Oh.
Self, please. Brent Overstreet, unmute yourself, please. State your name.
Brent Overstreet.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Overstreet owes a handful of civil infractions, 2 of which are no insurance proof at $288 apiece. Mr. Overstreet, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Thank you.
All right, when you see the prompt, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Yes, sir.
Let's pass the matter.
Your Honor, with your permission, interpreter Villarule will leave now. I don't think any of the defendants are here today.
Absolutely. Have a great day, Ms. Villar. I'll see you tomorrow, I'm sure.
Absolutely, Your Honor. If they should show up, feel free to call me.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Where's Ayana? Boy.
Brianna?
No, Ayana.
Okay.
Alana. Put it out.
Okay. I see. Yeah.
It's in the show card. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Lloyd. Miss Lloyd, did you get your camera together?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. Miss Lloyd, you're here because you didn't pay your obligation of $240.
Yes, sir. Unfortunately, I ended up going through some things and have been homeless over the past 2 months, and I've recently got back into housing. I'm now in a more stable place to work and pay that, but I just unfortunately was going through a lot of things over the last couple months.
Very well. I'm glad to hear that you've regained your housing back. That's a blessing. And what do you want to do? Do you want to do community service or do you want to pay it?
I'll pay it. I just needed a little more time.
All right, I'm going to give you another month. And what I will do, I'll give you until April the 6th, 2026, and I'll also mark the file allow payment plan. So either do one of 2 things on or before April 6th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person, or come on down to the courthouse on or before April 6th and get into a payment plan, man. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, and congratulations on your housing.
Thank you. I believe that was all. I don't think there's anything else. Have a blessed rest of your day as well.
As well. All right. Are we ready on Ari?
Anything for
Lattimore?
Gardner?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Did I get the pronunciation correct of your first name, Miss Lattimore? This is the city of Detroit. Is she here? This is the city of Detroit versus Ari Lattimore, case number S155-66541. Appearance for the record, please.
City of Paris, PA 8615, here on behalf of Aria Lattimore. Ms. Lattimore, please say your full name for the record.
Maria Lattimore.
Maria, I'm sorry. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. What does Ms. Lattimore want to do?
Your Honor, today we will enter a not guilty plea and have it set for bench trial.
Okay. Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lattimore?
Yes.
All right, March the 20th, 2026 at 9 a.m. is the next court date, ma'am. I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too.
Thank you. All right, are we ready on Garnica?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it actually pronounced Garnica?
Garnica, Your Honor.
Garnica, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
This is the City of Detroit versus Laborio Alberto Garnica, case number SP 1801300, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1801301, counts 1 and counts 2. For the record, please.
City of Paris, PA 8615, here on behalf of Mr. Garnica. Mr. Garnica, please say your full name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Laborio Garnica.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time set for a pretrial. What does your client want to do, counselor?
Yes, Your Honor. My client would like to take advantage of the prosecution's plea offer to plea to illegal transportation of marijuana and remaining in the park after hours with a 3-month delayed sentence for both, and the balance being dismissed.
Do you want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanor offenses? One of them is 93 days in jail, the transportation of marijuana, and the other one being in the park after dark is a 90-day misdemeanor and maximum possibility and or $500 in fines. You understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Paris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, she has.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, I have.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to November the 29th, 2025 at around 12:52 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Dwight and Parkview. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, we can't take the deal.
Wait, I was confused, which I didn't really know. I didn't know what you said about that, Your Honor.
Well, don't ask the question that you don't understand the question. If you don't understand the question, you need to ask me to repeat it. Were you in that area of Dwight and Parkview on the date and time I listed into the record?
Yes, Your Honor. I was in there.
And what is over there, sir?
I wasn't really familiar with that area. A lady I was with, she wanted me to meet up over there. So that was more of her area.
Was it?
It was like a riverside walk, like a where the water's at.
Would you agree that that is the city of Detroit Park over there?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and you were in that park around that date and that time, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and did you have some marijuana on you?
Yes, I have.
And where was that marijuana? Is that marijuana in the passenger compartment of your vehicle?
I was in the glove department in the middle.
Very well, in the council. I'm going to find him guilty as charged to the transportation of marijuana. That marijuana needs to be and it can't be in the area of your vehicle where it's not accessible. If it's a car, it's got to be in the trunk like a pistol. And if it's a pickup truck or something, it can't be accessible to you while you're in the whatever seating location of that vehicle. So I'll find you guilty of that. $240 will be the fine. And you already admitted to being in the park. Parks close at 10. You were listed there at being at 12:52. I'll find you there at 12:52 a.m. I'll find you guilty of that as charged. $240 is the fine. Stipulate the probable cause. Will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated.
All right, with that, 240. Pay it by June the 4th, 2026. You have it paid, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. If you have it paid, you don't get any other trouble like that, then we'll dismiss the cases. Okay, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Appreciate it.
Anything else, Counselor?
No, Your Honor. I'm all set. Thank you.
All right. Best of luck to you. Have a very good day, both of you.
Thank you. Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gordon. Ms. Gordon, I've given you an opportunity to speak. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
The recommendation to dismiss, we ask the court to adopt the recommendation.
Dismissal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Case dismissed, Ms. Gordon. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good
Thank
rest
you.
of your. Right.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You have a better one. Jakayla Lee, are you there, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Is Ms. Lee on the docket?
Yes, Your Honor.
Jakayla Lee,
Yes, can you hear me, Your Honor?
8:30.
8:30.
Jakayla.
Okay. Why is it not pulling up? Oh, I see. I see. City of Detroit versus Jakayla Lee, case number SP 84829, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Jakayla Lee.
Erica
All right.
Harris on behalf of Ms. Lee.
All right, Ms. Lee, good morning to you. Today is date and time set for arraignment. For purposes of arraignment, counselor,
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
and we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Where is Ms. Lee? Okay, I see you.
I'm here.
Ms. Lee has an old expired plate ticket and an old seatbelt ticket she owes. Ms. Lee, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer.
Your Honor.
You have to let me finish, ma'am.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you. You can roll your eyes all you want to.
I'm not.
Oh, you
I'm
did.
not, Your Honor. Oh, not towards you, Your Honor. Not towards you. Someone came inside and I'm on a Zoom meeting. Sorry.
I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. We'll pass them out. Mr. Boffman, are you ready?
Ready, Judge. Thank you. Good morning again.
This is the city of Detroit versus where is Rodney Gibson? He's there. City of Detroit versus Rodney Gibson. Case numbers 1781402, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 146-30801, SP 155-2067, counts 1. SP 155-6806, count 1. State of Michigan versus Rodney Gibson, case number SX 4606352, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052 for the defendant. Give your full name to the court, sir, please.
Rodney Gibson.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. What does your client want to do, Mr. Boffman?
Judge, we've pre-tried the case. I have had discovery since mid-February. There continues to be a question of fact, and we ask for a bench trial date by Zoom, please.
Very well. That's what you want to do, Mr. Gibson?
Yeah.
All right. March the 20th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, sir, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay? All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day. Bye.
Another one, take it easy. All right. T. Lewis. Where's Mr.
Is there
Taylor?
anything for Gardner? Just curious.
Is Ed Taylor there? Here he is. Oliver, are you there?
Is there anything for Gardner?
It's gonna be the last person on the list, Gardner.
Okay, sorry.
That's all right.
What about Nadia Love?
All right, are you ready on Oliver? Are you there?
Yes, sir. We're ready on. Hey,
Turn your camera on. All right, let's go back on the record with Taiwan Oliver. Mr. Oliver, state your name for the record, please.
Taiwan Oliver.
Oh, no, you don't have any clothes on. I'm putting you out.
Yeah, I just got up.
Bye. Go get your client in order, please.
Excuse me. Do you have anything for Nadia Love?
Nadia Love, I've already spoken to you, okay? All right.
What about Manziel Lathan, Your Honor?
I've already spoken to everybody. Everybody's in here. We've been checked in the order that you came in. Counselor Christopher Quinn, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here on Mr. Garcia.
Which Garcia? Joseph Garcia?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Joseph
Have you had
Garcia.
a chance to speak with him?
With the prosecutor, the city attorney, no, Judge. I've spoken with my client.
All right, you can go to 4 unless you just want a trial date.
Yeah, just give me a trial, please, Judge. Zoom trial.
Yep, Zoom is however you want it. City of Detroit versus Joseph Garcia, case number SP 184-33391. Appearance for the record, please.
Christopher Quinn, P69483, appearing on behalf of Mr. Garcia, who's also appearing via Zoom.
All right, Mr. Garcia, good morning. You state your name for the record.
Joseph Garcia.
All right, day is the date and time set for a show cause for purposes of arraignment, Counselor.
Waive the form reading, my client stands mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. If your client wants a trial date, it'll be March the 20th at 9 a.m.
I'm in trial, Judge. Is there anything in April? The last 2 weeks of March, I'm in trial. Is there like the week of the 7th?
April 6th.
That's Easter. Yeah, that's fine. Yep.
April 6th. If it's nothing
What time
further,
is that, Judge?
9 a.m. If it's nothing
Okay,
further,
thank
have a
you.
very good. Best of
Okay,
luck
thank
to
you,
you.
Judge. Yeah.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lee. Ms. Lee, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what is your client? Your client, this is valid documentation?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to dismiss the case again, ma'am. You owe those 2 other civil infractions. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, T. Lewis. T. Lewis.
Yes.
Stand for. Morning to you, ma'am. Is
I'm
that
sorry.
Takari Lewis?
Takira.
Takira Lewis, good morning to you. I'm sorry.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Takira Lewis, case number SP 185-12411. SP 185-13051. Appearance for the record, please.
On behalf of Ms. Lewis, please state your name for the record.
Secura Lewis.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Harris, the other issue was drove in an unsafe manner allegation. I don't have any issue with setting the default aside. If the city has no objection. Ms. Lewis, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
You said the other matter is it drove in an unsafe manner. That's the one I see on the docket. So is the other one the same?
Unsafe manner, do you see it on the docket?
Yes, that's the one I see for pretrial.
Oh, and then it's a no insurance misdemeanor then. No insurance misdemeanor, all right?
Thank you.
And then, all right, join the room, Ms. Lewis. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Overstreet. Mr. Overstreet, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client wishes to avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea of disorderly conduct for the offer to engage and to plead to the two counts of narcotic or drug violation on the basis, each of them on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal? You're pleading to 2 counts of narcotic drug violation and 1 count of disorderly conduct, amended count of disorderly conduct?
That's correct,
Yes,
Your Honor.
sir.
Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90? U tickets are 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw
Your
your
Honor,
attention. Yes.
I think I should indicate to the court that there's a 6-month probation.
Okay.
Interrupting. Gross is interrupting. Gross needs to mute your device. Everybody, please mute your device.
Shoot.
All
I'm
right,
sorry.
Go ahead, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor, with regard to the offer matter, it's a 6-month probationary period. And of course, he'll have to take the STI test and take the class that's required.
They're going to give him a delayed on an offer to engage disorderly conduct?
No, Your Honor. The delayed is as to the narcotics charges, but the offer to engage charge would generate would be for he'd be on 6-month probation, as well as take the STI course and the class.
Well, I'm going to start testing you, sir. You take this deal. You understand that?
Yes, sir. I'm in the methadone clinic.
I'm gonna still want some tests from you. We don't have drug court anymore, or at least we're not taking any new people, and the only way you got all these drug violations. So that's the only way I can try to help you. You still want to take the deal?
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Let me draw your attention first, and you're talking about a 6-month delayed sentence with the. So have you? I don't think you've read. Oh, so he got a ticket. The one allegation, because I see they happen on the same date, so he got 2 different tickets. They wrote him for one having a hypodermic needle. So basically in possession of drug paraphernalia, and then they wrote the other in possession of crack cocaine. And okay, so I guess you've had that discussion with your client. So I'm gonna draw your attention back to November the 15th, 2023, in the area of John R. and Dakota. Were you in that area around 4 p.m., city of
Yes,
Detroit?
sir.
You were in that area around that date and that time, correct?
Yes, sir.
You do something out there to cause a police presence.
Yes, sir.
And would you agree that police presence disturbed the good, quiet nature of that community?
Yes, sir.
Find him guilty as to the amended count of disorderly conduct. Let me draw your attention back to January 21st, 2025, around 4:33 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of French Road and Canfield. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
And did you were you in possession of this hypodermic needle?
Yes,
or
sir.
numerous hypodermic needles? And were you in possession of crack cocaine?
Yes, sir.
Find them guilty as charged to possession of the drug paraphernalia, or as they call it, a narcotics drug violation. And I'll find them guilty of the other count because we had the hypodermic needles. And you didn't have a prescription for either one of those, and any legal authority to carry those, did you not?
No, sir.
All right, find them guilty of the possession of the rock cocaine and of the hypodermic needle. I'm gonna put you on a 6-month probation. I need a good phone number from you.
313-459-3134.
And no drinking or illicit drugs. No drugs without a prescription. You're already in the methadone clinic, right? So you can't drink. You're not supposed to be drinking in there anyway, are you?
No, I don't drink.
6-month probation. No leaving the state without the court's permission. I'm going to refer it to probation. I'm going to fine you. Are the other ones taken under any kind of delayed, Mr. Berry?
No, Your Honor.
I'm going to fine you $240 for one, the disorder. Oh, I want HIV, STD testing. And I want the misdemeanor morality. The misdemeanor morality, do you have an ink pen, sir?
In 1 second.
You can probably get that from your probation officer. Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I'm gonna find them on 240 and 240. I'll cut them a little bit of a break on the other fine. 6-month probation. I have a number to eBay. I need a 6-month date, Ms. Mathis. I have one.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna review this in 6 months. 9/2/2026. Come back on September the 2nd, 2026 at 8:25. Sir, I do wish you the best of luck. I can only imagine you've probably been struggling with this for quite some time. Is this your first time in the clinic?
Second.
Second time. I'm going to be praying for you, sir, that you can overcome this. And I know it's not going to be easy, but you know, it's some powerful stuff. And I hope that you can overcome this and live the rest of your life sober. But we'll be hoping that's the case. All right.
Thank you very much.
All right. Any further questions, sir?
No, sir.
All right. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Madam
Thank
Court
you.
Reporter, Madam Court Reporter, I need your CSR number. I had sent you.
5520.
Said 5520. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit. Granbury, did you ever get an attorney call you?
No, I didn't. No, I didn't, Your Honor.
Let's get Mr. Granbury. Let's find out who his attorney is. Give me a minute, sir. I'll get you out of here momentarily.
Okay, thank you.
Griggs.
Yes.
Morning to you.
Good morning. Good morning.
All right. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Byron Griggs, case number SP 185-1551. Counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Griggs.
Brian Keith Griggs.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I have no issue with setting the default aside. The city has no objection. He has an improper display of plate he can be heard on. Mr. Griggs, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like it, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Here you go, Your Honor.
All right.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lewis. Ms. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Finally, request our trial and formal hearing date.
I didn't hear you.
The client is requesting a trial and formal hearing date.
Very well. Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lewis?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to give you a trial date for March the 20th, 2026 at 9 a.m. I do wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Okay, Judge, before I go, I do have another appearance set for Monday. Do I still need to come for that as well?
If it's
It's regarding the same issue. They split the two tickets up.
no,
Okay.
you'll be off on the 20th. Thank you for letting me know that. All right, have a great day.
You too.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Marilyn Lawson, case number SP 183-6511, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Who's that?
This is Attorney
Marilyn Lawson.
Sarah Harris on behalf of Ms. Lawson.
All right. Good morning to you, Ms. Lawson. Today is the date and time, and it's set for a pretrial. Ms. Lawson, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Okay, Your Honor.
Alonzo Haynes. Let's pass the matter for Lawson. Alonzo Haynes.
I'm here.
What is your full name, sir? I don't know if you're on my docket.
Alonzo Javante Haynes.
All right. Do you have a case number?
Haynes is on here.
Haynes is on here?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, very well. Okay. Mathis says you're on here, so you're on here. I don't see, but.
For show cause 345.
Okay, very well. All right, Mr. Ragnow.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm sorry for the delay in getting to your courtroom.
That's okay.
I was in another court.
You're representing Mr. Granberry. Do you need to speak with him ahead of time?
Yes, I do. And I also represent Terry Goodwin.
Okay, this is the city of Detroit versus Terrence Jermaine Granberry, case number SP 1806527, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Samuel A. Ragnan, P23-157 on behalf of Mr. Granberry.
All right, today is the date, and good morning to you. Today is the date and time. Mr. Granberry, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning. I'm Terrence Jermaine Granberry.
Okay, Mr. Granberry, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 6, okay? Your attorney may want to speak to the city attorney, or he may come speak to you. You know what you want to do?
I think I'd like to talk to the city attorney first, if possibly. I'm sorry.
Fine. Go to 4. I'm gonna put Mr. Granberry in 6, and sit tight, Mr. Granberry, while Mr. Ragnar is gonna come see you once he gets things, tries to get things situated. All right.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
And then who's your other client?
Terry Goodwin.
Okay. And we'll get Terry Goodwin in breakout room 7, and then you have to wait on the city. They're in another courtroom now, but you can go to 4 and wait on the city.
All right. Thank you very much.
Goodwin, good morning to you. Where's Mr. Goodwin? He's not responding.
Good morning, Judge.
Morning. I'm gonna put you in breakout room 7, okay? Wait on your attorney, all right?
All right.
Let's go back on the record with Miss Marilyn Lawson. Miss Lawson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We're requesting a trial date. We are also asking if the court would and could schedule that date in April. It would be appreciated, as she has a few things that she's trying to resolve prior to her trial date.
Trial date is going to be April the 6th. Is that good enough, Ms. Lawson?
Can I get it like a little bit in the middle of April?
I'll say April 16th.
Okay, that's fine, Your Honor.
There's nothing further, ma'am. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
And you do the same. Thank you.
Well, Kaya George.
I'm here.
Good morning to you. This city of Detroit versus Kaya George, case number SP 125-7325, count 1. SP 133-4958, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 139-78051, SP 139-78071, SP 154-36452, SP 163-2196, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 166-58671, SP 182-0054, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 182-0082, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. George. Please state your name for the record.
Kaya George.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. George. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, absolute right to a trial. Did you get a valid? Well, run her license.
What's her name again, Judge?
George. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay? Just pass the message. You have to turn your camera on, Miss George, when you come out. Is it valid? All right, license is not valid, Ms. Harris.
Thank you.
That's the matter. All right, Couture, Officer Couture, I dismissed that case.
Okay,
Lane.
yeah, that's not a problem. I got my subpoenas mixed up, so I got it kind of late. That's on me.
What I'll do is I won't mark it no officer since you appeared. Take Amari Lane and no, don't put the no officer on there. All right, be safe out there, officer. Best of luck to you, all right?
Appreciate you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my Gardner.
All right, Miss George, and you need to mute yourself. If you keep on interrupting, I'm gonna put you out. Garner. All right, is he ready?
Yes, he's right here.
All right.
Well, I can do it from here.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Oliver. Mr. Oliver, don't come in here like that again. You hear me?
Yes.
What does your client want to do, Mr.?
I'm going to sit for a bench trial, y'all. He has quite a bit of matters. I want to try to argue them down.
Trial date, March the 20th, 2026 at 9 a.m. All right, Mr. Oliver?
Okay.
There's nothing further. I wish you the best of luck. I don't even see a file here. Have a very good rest of your day. I guess we'll probably get one by the time he comes. March 20th at 9 a.m.
You're welcome. All right. And
All
I
right.
have a bench trial too, y'all.
Very well. Is that all you have, Mr.?
I have a bench trial from
Today? Who's that?
Sarah Green.
Let's see. City of Detroit versus Sierra Green. Case number SP 183-4911, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sierra Green.
Good morning, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Sierra Green.
All right, good morning to you, Ms. Green.
Good morning.
Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Turner is here. Have you had a chance to speak with the city?
I have not, Your Honor. I'll answer that.
All right, Ms. Green, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room number, you're already in 5. Your officer is here. Mr. Taylor is going to see if he can work something out, all right?
Okay.
So go to breakout room 5 and sit tight. You should be able to rejoin that room. Just go down to the bottom and to the more button or something, and it should show you breakout room 5 should populate.
Thank you. I'll be right back.
Might want to join online, Mr. Taylor. You might want to join online so you can speak with her. We'll pass the matter. 5. She's in breakout room 5.
I gotta step away for just 1 second. Y'all
Um,
want anything in the chambers?
No, thank you. Let's go back on the record with Briggs. Mr. Briggs, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance as well as registration, and we would seek dismissal.
All right, Mr. Is the plate properly displayed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, dismiss the cases, sir. I wish you the best of luck for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Yep.
All right. This is the City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Manzel Raymond Lathan. Case numbers, well, it's case number SP 185-81161. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lathan.
Manzel Lathan.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor.
A formal hearing, Mr. Berry, Sergeant Rios was here. He's not here now. I'll let you speak with Mr. Layton, and you can attempt to get him an updated offer, or if the officer is not here, then you know what to do. Join the room, Mr. Layton. Mr. Berry's gonna see if he can work it out for you, all right?
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, join the room. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Ms. George. Ms. George, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We are respectfully requesting a trial date.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. George?
Yes.
All right, trial is going to be March the 20th, 2026 at 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you, you too.
Well, all right, this is the City of Detroit versus Vignetta Garrison, case number SP 931-481, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record.
You have to unmute yourself, ma'am. I believe I'll send you the prompt.
Somebody was in there.
All right, state your name for the record, please. You unmuted yourself, ma'am. State your name for the record. All right, you're not coming through, so something is going on. I don't know if you have headphones on and they're not working. You need to try to take the headphones off and speak in the regular computer. All right. Miss, for purposes of arraignment on these matters, Miss Harris.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. These are 2 matters. I'll put her in a breakout room with you. See if you can work it out and see if you can help her with her device. She'll get you an updated offer. Yeah. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, have an absolute right to a trial.
Can we check the status of the license, please, and thank you.
Can you run our license, please? I will pass the matter. It's valid.
Thank you.
I have it. I have it.
Hello?
Davis. Laronta Davis. Unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, what's your full name, ma'am?
Laronte Davis.
Laronte Davis, are you here for landlord tenant?
No. A lady from Second Chance had told me to join for my traffic tickets.
Who's from Second Chance?
Wanda Brown.
All right, you can't keep doing that. You're not, Laronta, Emeka Davis?
Laronte Emeka Davis.
Emeka Davis?
Yes.
I'm gonna arraign you on these and get you a court date, but you're gonna be in front of Judge Herman Griffin, all right?
Okay.
All right, you sit tight, please. Who's that? Who's that? All right, we'll get that. Okay, who are we ready on?
I don't have anyone. Ms. Garrison got disconnected.
What about Sophia Gray?
What did I say, Miss Gray? I've said it time and time again. I'm going in the
You
order.
called my name, sir. You did call my name.
I didn't, well, I don't remember calling your name. All right, let's go with Brianna Lloyd.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, ma'am. City of Detroit versus Brianna Lloyd, case number SP 120-08181, SP 2376371, SP 1273107, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1559006, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Brianna Lloyd.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Day is date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. For purposes of arraignment,
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant be recalled.
enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Miss Gray, Miss Lloyd, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Miss Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. You join the room, and let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Miss Garrison, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 8, and Miss Harris is gonna come see you, okay?
Thank you.
Well,
No, I just got back, should I say?
Oh, okay.
I forgot I was leaving. I think it was the SETI notification. Someone would actually say.
let's pass the matters. Okay, so we're waiting on Mr. Barry. Anyone else ready?
Gardner.
I'm gonna put you in the waiting room. You go join the breakout room, Ms. Harris, and I assigned you to breakout room 8. Ms. Harris is gonna come see you.
Christina Goodman.
I'll just put all of y'all in the breakout room, waiting room. That is a good idea.
Your Honor, I don't need a break room.
You need a lawyer.
I do.
You need a lawyer. Do you want me to assign a lawyer to you?
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus John Artist Lot, case number U717377125. Mr. Lot, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, sir. John Artist Lot.
I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. I'm gonna set a pretrial date. I'm gonna appoint an attorney for you. I need a good phone number from you.
248-510-8351.
248-510-8351.
Yes, sir.
All right, and if you miss another court date, I'm gonna put a cash bond on you, all right?
I'm well aware. Yes, sir. I apologize.
248-510-8351. I'm gonna mark the file need appointed attorney, set a pretrial date for March the 20th. That date is set so that attorney has an opportunity to contact you. I need you to answer the calls. You don't recognize one of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by March the 20th, we'll appoint one for you on the spot, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, you too as well.
Let's go. Is Granberry ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now let's go back on the record with Mr. Terrence Granberry. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, after speaking with Tamika Horn, we've worked out a plea agreement where Mr. Granberry will plead guilty to count 1, failure to display, count 2, block dating, and count 3 will be dismissed.
So count 1 will be blockading, and count 2 will be failure to display, and count 3 will be dismissed, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Granberry?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Right hand, please. Swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes, I do.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes.
Mr. Ragnar went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
Understood those rights?
Yes.
Questions about those rights?
No, sir.
Nobody taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to December the 5th, 2025, around 7:29 p.m. City of Detroit, area of Joy and Evergreen. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license.
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
It was suspended.
All right, very well. Find your client guilty as to the amended count of failure to display. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Yes, sir.
All right, with that stipulation, stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes.
Stipulate. All right, with that stipulation, I'm gonna find you responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic. And I'll dismiss the other matter. I'll cut you a break on the blocking traffic, pay the $240. 240, when can you pay it?
I can pay it soon, but can I get like a couple of weeks?
We put a date on it, Mr. Granberry.
Like before next month, like March something, March 14th.
I'll give March
How about
14th?
April 29th, April 30th, Your Honor?
April 6th, April 6th. We'll get it. April 6th, pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDad app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, all right?
And Your Honor, one more thing, Mr. Granberry, in case you cannot pay that, you just need to come down and try to make arrangements.
Say that again?
I said in case he can't pay it, he can contact me or contact the court or the clerk's office to try to make arrangements on paying it.
All right. All right. If it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Mr. Granberry, have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Granberry, thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Now we got Terry. Are we ready on Terry Goodwin?
Yes, Your Honor. We've worked out a plea agreement on that, Your Honor, a 3-month delay plea to that. be dismissed after 3 months with no further problems. Will pay a fine, and you'll need some time to pay the fine.
City of Detroit versus Terry Goodwin, case number SP 184-59351. Appearance for the record, please.
Samuel A. Ragnan, P23-157, on behalf of Mr. Goodman.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Goodwin. State your name for the record, please.
My name is Terry Goodwin.
All right, good morning. Today's date and time set for a pretrial. You said pleading. How is that? As charged?
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Goodwin?
Yes.
I need Terry Goodwin's file. Raise your right hand, please. Is it raised?
Yeah.
I don't see it.
You see it?
Other right. I can't even see. Yeah, it says, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail, 90 days in jail, and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Ragnar went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not? Did he go over your advice or rights in the breakout room?
Oh, yes, he did, sir.
And you understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Just you have it.
I don't see it. Oh, I do. I see. I'm sorry. I got it. And you understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
How about taking a deal? You're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the
No,
record?
sir. No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to January 4th, 2026, around 10:46 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Marlow and Chalfont. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and that time?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And did you have contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, they came to the house, yes.
All right. And whose house is this?
My son's house.
And why were they there?
We was arguing in the house after the football game. After the Lions game. Huh?
You say that. Why were they there?
Because we was arguing because me and my son came in the house, just left the Lions game, and we had arguments in the house.
And who's having an argument? You and your son?
No, my son having an argument with his girl, but then his girl came out and started arguing with me.
And all of y'all were intoxicated, weren't you?
Yeah.
That's where the arguments, my father said, is 50 fights in that bottle of liquor that you're drinking.
So true.
We just loved the game that night.
I don't care. If just because you lost the game, you're out there arguing, causing disturbance because you're drunk.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, we was arguing.
All right. Would you say that this argument that you all had disturbed the good, quiet nature of that community?
Yes.
And that caused the police presence. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. You satisfied, Counselor?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
Court is satisfied. What is this? Is this a delayed sentence?
It is 3 months, Your Honor, and then dismissal, no further problem with the law.
$240 is an expensive argument over a Lions game. Yes.
He's going to need to have time to pay that fine.
He's going to get till June the 4th. He should have $240 by June the 4th. He's got enough money to buy his Lions gear.
Yeah, I'll be back
money
to work
to buy his
next.
Lions gear and his liquor.
Right? Well, I hope so, Your Honor.
Right?
Right. I
June,
agree.
doesn't he? Right, Mr. Goodwin?
Yeah.
All right, June 4th, don't get any other trouble like that. Pay the $240 at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
All right, thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Mr. Goodwin, good luck to you.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lathan. Mr. Lathan, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
My client would have his hearing, Your Honor.
Say that again?
My client would have his hearing, his formal hearing.
Did you speak with the city?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I'm a little confused. I thought I had the impression that the officer was not there, and even you asked that it be dismissed.
Case dismissed. Have a very good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
All right. All right. Mr. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Angela Gross, case number U74504126. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gross.
Angel Gross.
Angel Gross. Good morning to you, ma'am. Sorry for the mispronunciation. Today is the date and time, and it's set for. What is it set for, Mr. Berry?
I don't find her on my docket, Your Honor.
She's set for 319.
319. All right, she's set for 319 for a pretrial.
Pretty much.
We're gonna. It's not set till 319. We're gonna. It's a minor ticket, Mr. Berry. We'll call the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Gross, were you assigned an attorney at all? Do you know?
I thought it was Attorney Berry.
So we need to get the file then, because you're here early. You're not supposed to be here until the 19th. If you want to come back the 19th, you can, or if you want to see if we can get you an offer at another date, we'll find out if we assigned you an attorney. You can speak with her, Mr. Berry, in the breakout room. Mr. Gross joined the room. He's trying to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. The allegation is contributing to the delinquency of a minor. I do not have a ticket in front of me to facts or circumstances that join the room. We'll pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lewis. Ms. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to Ms. Garrison. Ms. Garrison, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss due to the age of the tickets.
All right, I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss, waive the warrant fee. You'll be responsible to pay the 2 reinstatement fees of $45 a piece. Ms. Garrison, if there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
City of, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lloyd, Ms. Brianna Lloyd, Ms. Harris. What does Ms. Lloyd want to do?
I'm free to leave. Requesting the appointment of counsel.
You're free to leave. All right. You want an appointed counsel, Ms. Lloyd?
Yes.
All right. I'm gonna. Do you have her information in the chat here, Miss? You do. I'm going to ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of the calls is should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay?
Okay.
You check your Gmail account too. That next court date is March the 20th, 2026 at 8:30 a.m. If it's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. And if you don't have any further questions, you're free to leave.
Uh, uh, if you have any other date, actually work that morning, I'm not sure if I'll be able to attend court.
Well, I don't think you'd have an option, but I mean, you do have options. You can not show up, but what date are you, what date?
That day is the only day of the week I work. I could do any Monday through Thursday anytime. It's just a Friday morning, I know for sure.
All right, come back on March the 23rd on the Monday.
Okay, that's fine.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, City of Detroit versus Kayla Oglesby, case number SP123-61601, SP183-87411. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Is Jakayla Oglesby here? Corporal Bennett, good morning to you. Can you state your name?
Corporal, yes, Your Honor.
Hello.
Corporal Daryl Bennett, badge 4320, Detroit Police Department.
All right. And Miss Oglesby, can you state your name for the record, please?
Jakayla Oglesby.
All right, day is date and time set for a trial. I do have Corporal Bennett here. I don't believe Ratliff was here as well. Ms. Harris, go to the breakout room, get Ms. Oglesby an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, Ms. Oglesby, you have an absolute right to a trial, and the day is the date and time set for that. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
Now let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Miss Angel Gross. You didn't find her file?
No.
All right. All right. I don't have the file, Mr. Berry. So I don't know if Ms. Gross wanted an attorney back then and we appointed an attorney for her. It sounds like we may have.
I would expect so. I recall the case, and definitely she's waiting and looking forward to a call from an attorney and expects to return on March the 19th.
Can we find out if she hasn't?
Her name and I don't see no record of it.
All right, well, we're gonna do that right now. We're gonna appoint you an attorney, Miss Gross, okay?
Okay.
I thought I remember last time, you probably weren't here.
It doesn't matter. You want me to call right now?
No, well, she'll be back. She'll be back on the 20th, pre-trial 3/20/2026 at 8:30. You can put your number in the chat, ma'am, if you don't feel comfortable telling it on Zoom.
It's 313-425-1537.
You say you don't have anybody looking for you, huh?
No.
All right. Listen, Ms. Oglesby, I'm gonna appoint an attorney to you. So instead of the 19th, come back on the 20th at 8:30, okay? I need you to answer the call you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the 20th, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that date, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right. Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right. Let's go. Mr. Barry, you need someone now, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Lacey, is Lacey here?
She's
Deja
muted.
Lacey.
Unmute, Ms. Lacy.
City of Detroit versus Deja Jeanette Lacy, case number SP 560451, counts 1 and counts 2. Turn your camera on, ma'am, and state your name, please. Need to run her license.
Deja Lacy.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am. Today is date and time, and it's set for a
Arraignment on the bench warrant, Your Honor. We would
Very
waive
well.
reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Can you run Ms. Lacy's license, please? I think these tickets are just age of the ticket, probably. I don't even know if we have to run it. I'm gonna dismiss both of these matters for age of the ticket. You don't. Bill don't have a license. I'm gonna dismiss both of these matters for age of the ticket, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm gonna waive the warrant fee, Miss Lacy.
Okay.
You're gonna have to pay the two $45 reinstatement fees.
Okay.
Nothing further. Have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. Gist. Ardell Gist.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
All right, it's gonna be the City of Detroit versus Ardell Luther Gist, case number C5505841, SP 1007353, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 101443661, SP 107836881, SP 1558431, SP 979777, counts 1, 1847044001, 19519151. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gist.
Bill Gist.
All right. All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Gist. Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. When you see the prompt, join the room and you let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
He has a 1 no insurance proof, 2 no insurance proofs, another no insurance civil. I'm sure we went over this because I remember Mr. Gist.
Yes.
Join the room, sir, and let us know what you want to do when you come out. Pass the matter. All right. Nadia Love. Is Nadia Love in here?
Nadia Love.
Turn your camera on.
Oh.
Lacey, you're free to leave.
I didn't hear you.
All right, you need to get yourself together before you try to come on. What? That's Mr. Busy. He's busy.
Hello.
All right. City of Detroit. Why do you keep turning your camera off?
I'm sorry.
City of Detroit versus Nadia Love. Case number, strike that. This is going to be the state of Michigan versus Nadia Love. Case number SX 4630725, counts 1 and counts 2. Ms. Love, good morning. Do you state your name for the record, please?
Nadia.
All right, there's date and time set for a trial / formal hearing. I'm going to dismiss your case for no officer. If there's nothing further, Ms. Love, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
All right, thank you.
Okay. The voice did not show. Binkowski showed. Okay, so we have to wait. Earl Glenn, he showed. Do you have valid insurance, Mr. Glenn?
Yes.
You do?
Did I hear my name, Earl Glenn?
Do you have valid insurance? Good morning to you.
Yes, I do, sir.
Can you show it to me?
Yes, sir. I'm gonna try. This is what happened before. I tried to turn my camera around so they could see it, and it wouldn't come across clear.
Do you have the background on?
Yeah, no, I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know. I'm not familiar with all this stuff. I just got a phone so I could have a phone. I don't know how to turn it around. See, I got it turned around now, but it's coming across like it did before, blurry.
Yeah, so you need to go down to the bottom of your screen and go to the video button. What is it? Is it video?
Hold on, trying to. Okay, I'm at to say, I see what say mute, video, stop, chat.
No, it should say background.
No,
All right, you have to wait. I'm gonna let Ms. Harris help.
He has to click his photo. He had to click him, and then it will show.
Say that again, ma'am.
You will have to click the photo of you, the video of you, and it's gonna say the blur options. It's gonna let you exit it out.
I think he's gonna need some more. Thank you, but I think he's gonna need some more help. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Oglesby. Miss Oglesby, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. All right, let me, Officer Radcliffe, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge, number, department for the record, please?
Good morning, Officer Radcliffe. Badge number 4792, 11th precinct.
All right, very well. All right, have you worked it out, Miss Harris?
Yeah, the offer is she could plea on one, the other would be dismissed. It would be taken under a 3-month delayed sentence. It's my understanding she wants to take that offer.
Is it gonna be able to make a factual basis on an allowing?
Yes, Your Honor, she can. We had a discussion about it, which is why she's taking the plea.
Very well. You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
No, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to December the 3rd, 2025 at around 2:55 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area
Yes.
of East Otter Drive and Fleming. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Well, you may not have had that. Did you own a 2012 Ford on that day?
Yes.
And did you allow somebody to drive that 2012 Ford?
Yes.
And you knew that person did not have a valid driver's license when you allowed that person to drive. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right, find your client guilty as charged to the allowing, stipulate the probable cause, will dismiss the other matter.
Stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, $240 is a fine. I'll dismiss upon payment, man. When can you pay it?
Thursday, if that's okay with you guys.
If that's of this week,
Yes.
all right, you want to come back Thursday morning and I'll dismiss the case, or if it's paid by Thursday, then we will, I'll just say Friday. Come back Friday. If it's paid, you don't have to show back up. If you pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit, I'm told you can upload the DivDad app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's paid, you don't have to show back up. If it's not paid, I need to see you, okay?
Yes.
All right, if there's no further questions, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
Okay, thank you. I definitely appreciate that. And I'm coming down to the 36th District Court.
To pay it, yes.
Okay.
Or if you can pay it by the kiosk though, if you want to.
Anywhere?
Yeah, you can upload it to your phone, or you can go into Myers and things like that to find the kiosk.
Okay.
All right. Best of luck. City of Detroit.
I appreciate that.
You're welcome. City of Detroit versus Alonzo Hayes, case number SP 1855292, counts 1 and counts 2. For the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Haynes, please state your name for the record.
All right. Good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a show cause, Ms. Harris. Purpose of arraignment.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Are not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Haynes has a civil infraction of improper equipment. I wouldn't have any issue with setting the default aside, allowing him to be heard on that. Mr. Haynes, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gist. Mr. Gist, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial date.
All right. That what you want to do, Mr. Gist?
One minute.
All right. March the 20th at 9 a.m. That's the last one. That's number 6 for 20. March the 20th at 9 a.m. Mr. Gist. Have a very good day. If you don't have any further questions, you're free to leave. Best of luck to you.
All right.
You need some more term dates.
Yes. See. City of Detroit versus Marcia Goodman, case number SP 1852855, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Old S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, State your full name, Ms. Goodman.
Marcia Raina Goodman.
All right, good
Your
morning.
Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Goodman, I'm gonna put you in a breakout. Ms. Goodman has a civil infraction of expired plates that's in default. I wouldn't have an issue with allowing Ms. Goodman to be heard on that if the city has no objection. Ms. Goodman, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, thank you, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
All right, join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Haynes. Mr. Haynes, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We're respectfully requesting a pretrial date.
Pre-trial, March the 20th, 2026 at 8:30. Mr. Haynes, if there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right, you too. Thank you.
Thank you. Is Carlos Garcia here? Carlos Garata. That's why it's not coming up.
Rita?
Rita, I'm sorry. Is he here?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. All right. Where is he? City of Detroit versus Carlos Garita, case number SP1207456, counts 1 and counts 2. SP1224818, counts 1 and counts 2. SP123007001, SP1327067.
Okay, I got it.
SP1501216, counts 1 and counts 2. SP159282441, SP1850451, State of Michigan versus Carlos Garita, case number SX463777401 and U691382324. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
It's not coming through. Mr. Garita. You have to unmute yourself, sir.
He's unmuted, Your Honor. It's just not coming through.
All right. Well, I will put you in a breakout room, Miss Harris. You need to know all the allegations, huh?
That would help, please, and thank you.
All right. So you see the one on the docket. You have the ink pen ready?
Ready.
License improper. No insurance misdemeanor. License improper. No insurance is misdemeanor. License improper. License improper. License improper. No insurance misdemeanor. License improper. Accident, state case. And offer to engage. Mr. Garita, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. All right, on the iPad, I just let in the room. Good morning to you. What is your name, please? Unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please. Good morning, ma'am. What's your name?
My name is Shannon Gardner.
What is your name? Shannon Gardner?
Yes, sir.
I'll put you in the waiting room. You're on another device. I'm gonna put you off on this device.
Yeah, I logged in so that I can provide proof of insurance.
Yeah, but you keep on interrupting me, and I told you you have to wait. That's why I'm
no.
waiting. Shannon Garner, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So
Yeah, I left the other device so that I can provide proof of insurance and things like that.
all right, you're gonna have to wait.
Okay.
I'm not gonna say it again.
Alrighty.
Glenn, you got your device together. Where's Glenn? City of Detroit versus Earl Lee Glenn Jr. Case number SP 183-72211. Mr. Glenn, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. Now he's muted. Unmute yourself, sir. State your name for the record. I'm sending you the prompt.
Can you hear me now?
Can.
I'm trying to get this blurry thing together, y'all. I haven't figured it out.
All right, state your name for the record, please.
Early Glenn Jr.
All right. Officer Nelson was here. I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, sir.
All right, are we ready on anyone?
Ready, yes, Ms. Goodman, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Goodman. Ms. Goodman, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, there's no objection to the set aside, and my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea of failure to display for the driving on a suspended license, the insurance matter to be dismissed, and she has shown valid registration, and we seek dismissal of the expired plates charge.
That's probably going to be the deal anyway, right? All right, you want to take it, ma'am?
Yes,
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to January the 18th, 2026, around 4:47 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Woodward and Horton. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
No.
And why is that?
Because my license is suspended.
All right, very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of strike that, of failure to display. $240 is a fine. Stipulate the probable cause. We'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
$240, man. When can you pay it?
Can I pay it by April the 6th?
April the 6th. If it's nothing further, ma'am, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, Ms. Goodwin, you have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Sophia Lee Gray, case number SP 1136671, SP 174, strike that, SP 170743331, SP 1841302, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1844352, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gray.
Sophia Lee Gray.
All right, Mr. Berry, today is the date and time set for a trial. All right, Officer Binkowski appeared. He left a note. He did speak to Ms. Horn. He did go to another courtroom, and she does have his contact information. And Officer Franklin appeared. He indicated to the court that he had no recollection. And Officer Dubois, I do not believe I've seen him. So.
And Officer Robeson?
And I have not seen that officer either. All right.
Yes, Your
So
Honor.
get Ms. Gray an updated offer. Keep in mind, Ms. Gray, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
All right, join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Let's pass the matter. All right. Did you talk to Ms. Green?
Yes.
Let's. I didn't hear you, Mr. Berry.
We lost Ms. Gray.
Did we lose her? Miss Lacy, you're done, right? You only have one matter for, all right, so Miss Lacy's
Yes,
done.
I'm done.
All right, be safe, ma'am. You can hang up.
Okay, thank you.
This is a name I've seen in the past a few times. City of Detroit. Oh, you're not supposed to be here till the 17th, Mr. Gorey. March the 17th.
Yes, but the last time I talked to you, you told me as soon as I finished my community service, just check back in with you and then I could come back early.
Check Mr. Gorey's community service, please, Miss. I printed it out.
Okay.
All right. Give me a second, Mr. Gorey. All right. Then we have Ms. Garner.
Yes.
Please make this easy for me. Absolutely. Make it so
All right,
Hey,
this is
can you hear me?
the city of Detroit versus Shannon Garner, case numbers SP 18555-841 and SP 18555-852. Let me see the other two. The one has been adjudicated, she hasn't paid. And the other was found responsible, she hasn't paid. Appearance for the record, Mr. Berry.
Over S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Garner.
Shannon Gardner.
Turn your camera on, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
I'm not gonna keep asking that. All right, today is the date and time, and it's set for
A show cause, Your Honor. My client would stand mute.
enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. It is also an improper equipment. I would have no issue with allowing Ms. Gardner to be heard on that. If the city has no objection, Ms. Gardner, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
All righty.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Let's call back on the record with Miss Sierra Green. Where is Miss Green?
She's not there. Oh, man. She might be in the breakout room, you know.
I don't see her anywhere. All right, let's pass it. All right, all right, so Miss Capri Gabrielle, let's see what she needs. I think you just need to get these warrants off of you, right?
Right.
I think I printed that already. Capri. Yeah, I'll print it. No, it's just, she's just a walk-in, basically.
Gabrielle.
City of Detroit versus Capri Gabrielle. It is case number SP 1831101, counts 1, 2, and 3. As a matter of fact, just give me a minute. I'm gonna get an attorney.
Just sitting right here.
Unless you do you have documentation? Valid documentation?
Do I have documentation?
Yes.
Of what?
Valid registration, insurance?
I no longer have a car.
All right, just give me a minute. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris, all right, or one of the attorneys, and they'll take care of you in a minute.
Okay.
All right, now let's pass that matter. And here, Ms. Davis, can we get Ms. Davis? Ms. Davis, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
All right, turn your camera on, ma'am. All right, Ms. Davis. So here's
bars.
Oh, good.
Excuse me. Please. All right, you're not ready. Zoom user, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please? Is that Sierra Green?
Yes, it is. I was
Back on
having
the-
phone technical difficulties.
Go back on the record with Miss Sierra Green. Ms. Green, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, I've given you an opportunity to pre-try the case. What's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mrs. Green would like to bail herself in the people's office. Failure to report aspect the rest of the value be dismissed.
Failure to report?
Yes, sir.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Green?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Officer Turner, can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Officer Marcellus Turner, badge number 1678.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Do you understand, Ms. Green, that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Taylor went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
By taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
And has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to November 24th, 2025, around 4 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Schaefer Highway and the Lodge Service Drive. Were you in that
You
area?
said what time?
that?
I'm sorry, Perkins, what time?
4 p.m., 11/24/2025, 4 p.m.
Okay, I heard you. Okay.
Were you in that area in the city of Detroit, Schaefer and Lodge Service Drive? Did you have?
No, I was not.
You weren't in that area around that date and that time?
No.
All right, I don't know what you're gonna do.
Okay, Perkins, I have a question.
Judge Perkins, ma'am.
Judge Perkins, I'm sorry.
Well, you don't ask me the questions. You ask your attorney the questions.
I did, but I
don't answer questions. I ask them. Go ahead. You need to speak with Mr. Taylor. I got that from Judge Karen.
Okay, but Judge Perkins, what I'm saying is when the case started.
Listen, but what I'm saying, don't say too much.
Okay.
Speak to your lawyer.
Okay.
Let me talk to her again. Right?
Please. All right, we'll pass the matter. All right. Let's go and let's he's gonna call you.
Okay.
So you might have to hang up and come back and zoom back in.
Okay.
Okay, let's deal with Miss Davis. Let's pass the matter there. Let's deal with Miss Davis. Miss Davis, are you ready now? Did you get confirmation on Goree's completing?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right. So here's the deal, ma'am. You're not here with me. You have you owe a lot of money, all right? But there's 2 tickets here. No insurance proof. That's what I think. 1, 228, 2, 336. And those 2 tickets, despite all the other money you owe, those 2 tickets seem to be the tickets that are preventing you from getting clearances here, right?
Yes.
That's what you want to do is get a valid license.
Yes.
I'm going to call the city of Detroit versus Anta Davis into the record, and it's case number SP157333191 and U47596618. State your name for the record. Can we find out?
Lorente Davis.
Mr. Gold?
No, pretrial for Herman Davis. What's his, Herman Griffin? Judge Herman Griffin, what's his?
Okay.
Yeah, we have a walk-in that mistakenly came in our courtroom, and she's supposed to be with Griffin. So I'm gonna arraign you on this. I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. You have a entering without permission and a driving license suspended, and then you have the 2 no insurance proofs plus all the other tickets you never paid. But the 2 no insurance proofs, we spoke on that. If you pay the $288 and the $336, you can potentially set yourself up to get a valid license. I say potentially because I don't know what your license looks like, and so I don't know what's going on in other jurisdictions. That would just get you clearances here. Okay? So if you pay those immediately, then you can go to the Secretary of State And once you go to Secretary of State and ask them for a license, if they don't give you a license, then you can ask them for a printout. And they can give you a printout to everything that's affecting your license. So 288, 336. Now don't say Judge Perkins said that's all I owe, because you know you owe a lot more than that. Those are just two that are affecting your license, all right?
317.
Yes.
All right, go to Judge Herman Griffin on March 17th. Go to Judge Herman Griffin on March 17th. I would, if you can pay that before March 17th and get to the Secretary of State and get a license, that would probably put you in a better position with them over there. March 17th, and it's just Judge Griffin. And what is his Zoom ID?
334, so it's gonna be 360.
360-334-0000. Do you understand what you need to do, ma'am?
Yes.
Do you have any further questions?
No, that'll be all. Thank you.
All right, best of luck to you, ma'am. I hope you can get that valid license and have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you as well.
Corey, Shifty isn't here today, and the only person that can verify the community service would be Michelle.
Mr. Goree, do you have proof that you did the community service?
Yes, I got the email from the place I did I take that back. She texted to me and I emailed it to Miss Shelton.
She's not here today. She's not here today. Now, how many hours did you do?
You ordered me 12 hours.
And you did all 12?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna take your word for it. Who did you do it with?
I did it at Green Grove Missionary Baptist Church with Miss Hunter.
Green Grove
Baptist Church.
That's up there on 6 Mile?
Yes, 6 Mile, right past Joseph Hopper.
My cousin goes to that church, but for all her life, I'm gonna ask her, did she see you up in there?
Yes, it definitely say, because I stood up as a new member.
And you went to church there when?
I went on let me see the dates. The 3 weeks in
Did you go to
February.
service? Did you go to service there too?
Yes, I went to service there too.
All right, I'm gonna ask my cousin if there's a new member. My cousin is Camille Pace. I'm gonna ask her. I'm gonna close these matters. I'm gonna close these matters out
Okay, thank you.
that are affecting your license to 12 hours. All right.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
What's your next date?
Come back on March the 17th.
Isn't that your next date?
Yes.
All right. March 17th. There's nothing further, sir. I'm gonna check on it. Best of luck to you.
All right. Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. Okay. Let's back on the record with Miss Green. What are we doing now?
Your Honor, there's a discrepancy in the time, so let's break like have her day scheduled for trial.
It's trial today. Talk to Miss Horn. Hey, she's hanging up on her. Hey, I don't mind the fight, but I don't know if it's gonna work. All right. Let's go back on the record. Is that who had Miss who do you have, Mr. Barry?
Miss Garner, Your Honor.
Are we ready on Garner?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Miss Garner. Where is she? I think she fell off. Here, Mr. Barry, talk to Miss Capri Gabrielle. City of Detroit versus Capri Gabrielle. Case number SP 183-1101, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Alvin S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Miss Gabrielle.
Capri Gabrielle.
All right, Miss Gabrielle is here on a walk-in. She has warrants. For purposes of arraignment on the warrants,
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Miss Gabrielle, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room as a unregistered, untitled, Mr. Berry, no insurance misdemeanor, and an improper plate. I'm gonna put your client, put you in a breakout room, Gabrielle, with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay, thank you.
Pass the matter. All right, let's go back on the record. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garita. Mr. Garita, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client wishes to enter a plea.
I bet. I know that sound. Is that
He
what?
will be entering, oh, sorry.
Oh, go ahead.
He would be entering a plea to the offer to engage. Obviously, it would be amended to disorderly conduct. Oh, Ms. Horn did want to be present for this because she wanted to place the conditions on the record. If we could pull her out, he would also plead to the accident. It would be amended to limited access 1 to 5 over, and 2 counts of failing to display a valid license. I did advise of the options. Mr. Garrido wishes to move forward with his plea.
2 counts of failure to display. You
Yes,
want
Your
to take the deal, Mr. Garita?
Yeah.
You say yes, yes. Is that yes or no? Yes?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I swear.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 90 misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advisor rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Now, let me draw your attention back to January 10th, 2026, around 3:03 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Livernois and Verner. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, but I showed him my ID.
And you didn't have a valid license?
No, I told him it was revoked.
Very well.
Suspended.
Very well. I'll find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display. Let me draw your attention back to June the 11th, 2024, at around 5:03 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of southbound Central and Lane Street in the city of Detroit. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you then to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, I gave him my ID again and told him my license was revoked.
Very well. I'm gonna find you guilty of the amended count of failure to display. Let me draw your attention back to July the 4th, 2024, at around 9:05 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Florida and Michigan. Did you have any? Were you out that area around that date and that time?
Yes.
And did you do something out there to cause a police presence?
Yes.
And would you agree that that police presence you caused disturbed the good, quiet nature of that community over there?
Yes.
All right. Find your client guilty of the amended count of disorderly conduct. You said Ms. Horn wanted to speak on that. Ms. Horn, your name, could you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303. Our standard plea recommendations for sentencing on the last disorderly that you called is testing. We don't need to know the results. A 6-month probationary period. Misdemeanor morality class. And that is in exchange for the amended charge of disorderly conduct.
6-month delay, 6 months probation, sir. HIV, STD testing. Results will be private to you. Misdemeanor morality class, you can take that through eBay. I don't, I can give you the number to eBay. I know that a long time ago, the probation department said they weren't supervising these cases.
And yes, Your Honor, we expect the probationary period with the court's decision on sentencing to be non-reporting.
So what's the purpose of probation then? What is the purpose of probation? Because we have to have a purpose. Because if we're not doing anything but HIV, STD testing and misdemeanor morality, and there's no, there is a reduced plea that he's pleading to disorderly conduct, then what happens if he doesn't do the probationary period? What happens?
Well, nothing happens, but the probationary period is kind of a warning not to do this type of thing in our community again. Because if he comes back in here within 6 months, and prayerfully, God willing, I'll be in this courtroom, we can ding it, and then we won't be so kind going forward. But it's a recommendation, Judge. So
No, I'm trying to see if there's not going to be a reporting, if they're not even supervising this. I'm trying to see where he's already going to be entered into the disorderly conduct. So that's going to stand. Well, what, 6-month probation? I don't know. I thought the cities, well, on the second one, they weren't going to give an offer on the second one if he did it again.
Yep, and Your Honor, as it is a recommendation, furthermore, I don't add community service on mine. This for me, covering myself, that's the standard plea offer. And I can talk to Ms. Walker about, the reasoning behind it, but that's the standard plea offer. And generally it does include 20 hours of community service. Since the COVID, in my plea offers, I don't necessarily do that because of the contact with the public. But that's one thing, but that's generally the standard plea, Your Honor.
All right, here's the deal, sir. What I'll do is I'll fine you $240 for the disorderly conduct, 6-month probation, HIV, STD testing. You find their testing place, misdemeanor morality. You can call eBay for that. I got a number for eBay. I'll fine you $240 for one of the failure to displays, and I will fine you $125 for the limited access 1 to 5. I'll give you a break on the other failure to display, and then you owe a lot of other monies and civil infractions. I'll give you until September the 2nd. That's going to be your probationary period. And again, I don't know what. I guess you can ask for jail time. Maybe I guess that's what you can do. You need the number.
Sorry.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
This would be a review date also so he'd have to come to court for to confirm compliance, Your Honor, in 6 months.
Yeah, he's got to show the testing. He's got to show that he did the eBay. I'm going to give you the number to eBay if you have an ink pen, sir, for the misdemeanor morality class.
Well, give me 1 second. I got it.
Horn, we have a trial too for Green, Sierra Green. All right, Mr. Garita, it's going to be 313-864-8205. That's eBay, EVAY. They administer the misdemeanor morality class. Come on, you pay the fines at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, come back on September the 2nd at 8:25, and we'll see where your progress is. All right.
All right.
All right. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. What is we have Garner is back, or she keeps getting dropped off? Let's go back on the record with Miss Gabrielle. Miss Gabrielle, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to improper plates. The remaining 2 matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please. Other right. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room. Did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to November the 19th, 2025, at around 2:56 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Schaefer and Jeffries Freeway. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
You were operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Was it something wrong with the plates on the vehicle?
Yes.
What was wrong with them?
Invalid. They were invalid.
And how were they invalid?
No insurance at the time. Or my insurance wasn't renewed at the time.
And the plates were not registered?
Correct. I think because of the car insurance.
What do you mean? Were the plates registered or not?
No.
All right. Find your client guilty of the amended count of improper plate. Stipulate the probable cause. Will dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
40, ma'am. When can you pay?
Can I be given to like April, sometime in April?
April 6th.
Okay.
You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, ma'am, come back April the 6th and we'll see if you paid it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
8:25 in the morning. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right. What about Miss Garner? Or who had Miss Garner?
Did, Your Honor?
Oh, Sophia Gray. Who had Sophia Gray?
I did, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Sophia Gray. Miss Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to
do? Your Honor, the officers are not present, Your Honor. And we seek dismissal.
The officer did leave a note saying that he was in another courtroom. And he Miss Horn, Binkowski, yes. The officer Franklin called. He did not have any recollection.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Officer Boyce never appeared. Officer Robeson never appeared. And we had Officer Binkowski and Mr. Berry's making a motion to dismiss.
I can get Binkowski back. The people's offer is failure to display. As to Officer Gregory Robeson, he is retired, Your Honor. Not sure of the status of Joel Dobus.
All right. Officer's failure to display.
See Ms. Gray in a breakout room, please.
Go ahead, Ms. Gray. $240 will be the fine. Join the room, speak to Mr. Berry.
Okay.
All right. Ms. Horn, Miss Green wants a trial on her tickets. Taylor is here. Why don't you two go and break out room 4?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Officer is here as well. All right.
They was breaking ground on the new soccer field over there.
You saw it, they already?
Looked like, I mean, I think I gotta ride back over there because I was moving fast, but yeah, they was breaking some ground over there. So that's gonna beef up that in Michigan Avenue for sure.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gray. Ms. Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the offer for failure to display.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Gray?
Yes.
And I know you're wondering why I dismissed the other guy's case and not yours. This case, he left me a note saying that he was that he's available, gave Miss Horn his contact information, so we could have easily got him back in. The other officer just left. So raise your right hand, ma'am. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Are you you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right. Let me draw your attention back to April the 8th, 2025, around 11:42 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Gratiot and East Grand Boulevard. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit
Yes.
police operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license,
Yes.
and you couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Why is that?
I was driving my mother. My mother was with me and her leg had went out. I was driving the car that me and her had.
All right. And you didn't have a license, right?
You're right.
All right. Find you guilty as to the amended count of failure to display. $240 is the fine. When can you pay it?
Within 30 days, Your Honor.
All right. How's your mom doing now?
She's barely walking, but you know, she's at home.
All right. I'm sorry. We'll be praying for her
Thank you.
again. I'll give you 30 days to pay. If you pay this 336, you owe a couple of other civil infractions. If you pay this 336, then you can potentially set yourself up to get a valid driver's license. But that's 240. I'll give you until May the 6th to pay the. So 336 is the no insurance proof. That's what's not. You won't get a clearance until you pay that 336. Okay, but then
Okay.
the 240 is the fine for the day. Okay.
Okay.
Best of luck to you, ma'am. Have a very good rest of your day, and tell your mom we'll be praying for her.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Sierra Green, Mr. Ed Taylor,
Yes.
giving you opportunity to speak.
Your Honor, we found some extenuating evidence, Your Honor, so we're gonna request a 30-day delay and let me get up on top of that, Your Honor. A 30-day adjournment, I'm sorry. It's an extenuating circumstances.
Ms. Horn. Where's Ms. Horn?
She was there, Your Honor. We spoke about it.
And there was no objection to it?
No, Your Honor, there's some extenuating circumstances. It's a confusion between her and her mom, so I gotta fill that out, Your Honor.
Trial be continued. On April the 6th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
April 6th, I got it. Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. All right.
Best of luck to you, Ms. Green, okay?
All right.
See you soon. Okay.
All right.
Thank you. Yes.
Hey, what's happening? What's going on? All right, thank you.
Is this Miss Garner?
No.
Who is this, ma'am? Good morning to you. Good afternoon.
Hi, I'm calling for 1401 Withrow. I had a
say that again.
Hearing. I was having a birthday 30. I don't know. Am I correct?
Say that again. I'm sorry. I can't hear you.
I was having a virtual hearing at 1:30. I'm at 14010 Withrow.
And what is your name?
My name is Monique Monroe.
Monique Monroe?
Yes.
Is this a landlord-tenant matter?
Yes.
All right. That is going to be courtroom 434. You can write the Zoom ID down. It's 360-434-0000.
Okay, because mine is 360-535-0000.
And it says Monique Sharp, correct?
No, my name not Monique Sharp. No, Monique Monroe.
I know you're supposed to report to Monique Sharp, Judge Monique Sharp, right?
Yes, that's Judge. Yes.
We switch courtrooms. Her courtroom is 434 now. So replace the 535 with a 434, leaving all the other numbers the same.
Okay, I'll call back at 1:30.
Best of luck to you.